today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to take your distressed butterfly locks from this to this. Yes, honey, she is serving looks. Look at them edges. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna take you there. Let's first off start by getting these loose lock hairs together. Getting these loose locks together, we're going to start off by cutting from the bottom up and wrapping the loose hair towards the middle of your lock. Now, you want to start cutting from the bottom because you don't want to accidentally cut your real hair. So cut any loose strands from the bottom, and you want to wrap towards the middle so that it can hold the lock together. Now I want to take my Apogee foaming mousse. You want to have some type of foam or mousse to tame the flyaways of your distressed locks, and it also helps them last longer. What you want to do is take the mousse and pump it generously among your roots and also through the tips of your locks. So you want to cover your entire head with mousse. Also, don't use too much, but take about a double quarter size amount on your palm and spread it to your ends of your locks so that it can secure and lock those in. I'm taking my Oregon and Moroccan oil, and I'm just going to put this all over my locks. But not only do you want to put this on your locks for added shine and moisture, but you want to remember that this is a protective style, so put it on your roots as well so that you can protect the hair that's under the locks. Doing this will just ensure that your hair is moisturized and hydrated in the protective style. Now I'm taking one scrunchie. You're only going to need 1 to 2 of these, and I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail for a quick half up, half down style. Now it's time for the edges, the most important part. I use Gorilla Snot for my edges. I am a natural girl, so Gorilla Snot keeps my hair tamed in sun, snow, shine, rain. It doesn't matter, so I highly recommend this product, but feel free to use any kind of edge control product you want. I'm just going to take the Gorilla Snot and I'm going to comb my edges out first. Then I'm going to spread it generously around the perimeter of my edges. It may look like I'm using a lot, but I'm not. Just watch. Now I want to take a edge brush. I use the Old Faithful toothbrush, and I'm going to brush my edges in a downward direction, and I'm going to push them into the desired swoop. The trick is you want to use your free hand to follow the toothbrush so that you can smooth over your edges as you're brushing them through. You want to glide through your hair. You don't want to rake, you don't want to push or pull, but glide through in the direction that you want your edges to lay, and make sure that you're using that free hand to smooth out your edges. Now I'm gonna take my silk hair scarf and I'm just gonna lay my edges down. You want to leave your silk wrap on for about 3 to 5 minutes when using Gorilla Snot, because any longer than that can cause a white cast residue around your edges. When you're removing your silk scarf, just remove it slowly in an upwards direction. Make sure you're tucking those sideburns in. Your result should be like this. Ooh, baby girl, yes, look at that shine. Okay, love to see it. Ooh, okay, period. Bye, you guys. Thank you for clicking this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.